Hey y'all, welcome back. It's griddling time. We're gonna go with smoked sausage and some beef franks because we can. And the sausage is for me. The wieners are for my lovely assistant. Maybe slice this in half. That's about bun length, don't you think? I think so. It's a hot griddle, by the way. Be careful. Don't burn your fingers. I know it's not a gourmet meal like I usually do. Sometimes we just want to eat. Let me see, make sure these fit my bun. Make sure I'm not, these are artisanal sausage rolls. Yeah, they'll be a little short, but a short wiener never hurt anyone, right? Why doesn't that sound right? Never mind, forget I said anything. And for my lovely assistant, we got Frank's Hebrew National good stuff. You know what? Let's add a little greasiness to the griddle. Just for fun. So, I know she's not going to eat the whole pack, but this will be food for a couple of days. A trick I've learned, and I've done it once and it works. You see, I'm just slathering everything in oil. And then my salt, pepper, garlic, and secret seasoning. It really makes the flavor pop. And got some mesquite seasoning, just out of curiosity. Let's throw that on our sausage. Okay. Speaking of sausage, it may be ready to, go another minute or 5. Oh no. Okay, we'll roll these around. Sprinkle on some more seasoning. You can just go with salt and pepper, but the salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, whatever, like I said, it really gives it an amazing flavor, and the oil helps it stick. So let me grab a cover. Because everything's better with steaming. We'll let hers go a minute. Flip this over. Flop that over. Go with more of Mark's secret sauce. And smells good. Toss a little more mesquite on this side. This may be running them, I don't know. Maybe making them perfect. Wieners are round, so you can roll them around, by the way. I bet you didn't know that. That's your physics lesson for today. Oh, look at that. So, that one wiener wants to get away. Those are about done. Remove my wieners, my sausage. Scrape off a little space there. We'll take out some bones. And kind of tempted, instead of toasting the buns, just getting them all nice and cozy and warm. What do you think? That'll be an interesting, because these are really nice buns. I know it's like heresy not to toast your buns on the griddle. What's that, Baja? You got the ball. Oh man. Put the bottoms a little more. And we're pretty much done. Oh, that's going to be nice. So, this time, instead of splitting them open, actually, yeah, instead of splitting them open and getting that toast, I'm getting just almost a toast on the outside. And they'll still be super extra soft on the inside, which I think will be perfect counterpoint for the wieners and the sausage. And that's all there is to it, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thanks for putting up with me again. Let's spin around. Enjoy the sunset. And that's a wrap, y'all. Bye!